This is Troy Hawk, and this video will be about using HTML to create a table on a web page. You will be using the following table, which has 2 rows and 3 columns, and the third row which spans 3 columns. So when we look at the table here, this is our table, and the first row we see that we have the words column 1, column 2, column 3 in there. So that is where you will put whatever content that you want within your table. Second row has also 3 rows we can see, 3 columns that we can see. And again, you can put whatever wording you want within the tables themselves, and we'll see exactly where you type that information at. The third row spans the 3 columns. So in other words, we're not creating 3 rows for that third column. I'm sorry, we're not creating 3 columns for that row, but it spans and takes up the space of 3 columns since it's within the same table. And we'll see exactly how that's created in just a minute. So to practice, open Notepad or a plain text editor, and then you're going to type in the following HTML code. So when we look at the table tags in here, right here we can see that the table tag the table tag is open, and we use the cell padding of 4, a cell spacing of 3, and then we gave a border color here, which is black. The table, when we open up a table has a row, and the rows are TR tags. So in my particular table, I've given all of my TR tags an ID, and I called it row 1, row 2, row 3. So the TR tags again is for the row. So the first row that we saw up here, this will be the TR1 that the row 1 that I show you there. Now again, within row 1 there is 3 columns that we saw up there. So in order to create a column, we use a TD tag. So open it up with the TR tag, and then within the TR tag there's the TD tags. Now if we have 3 columns, then we need to open 3 TD tags. So we need to open one for column 1, close it for column 1, and then whatever content you want to type inside, or whatever you want to put inside of that particular column, or is data that you want to put inside of there. I typed in column 1, and then I opened up a new tag, TD tag, closed the new TD tag for column 2. Again, you type in whatever content you want there, and then the same thing with column 3, another TD tag, column 3, and then close TD tag. Again, you type the content you want there. If we want another column or 4 columns, we start it again. Row 2 is the same thing there, because we only have 3 rows in 3 columns in row 2. So we did the same thing as we did for 1. I just gave the TR tag its own name of row 2, and then the same thing with row 3. It was a column span of 3, so this is how we make sure that it spans all of our table columns there. Okay, well, to see my video at the link below to learn how to save your web page as a .html file using Notepad, and practice this example, and if you have any questions, just send me a message. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.